Do you crave the taste of delicious Middle Eastern shawarma but prefer a homemade version? Then I've got the right recipe for you. I'll show you my easy and delicious chicken shawarma marinade, how to cut and fry your chicken for shawarma, and how to create authentic Middle Eastern shawarma sandwiches. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and this channel is all about sharing my passion for delicious Middle Eastern recipes, food traditions, and culture with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Chicken breast or boneless chicken thighs are the preferred choice for this recipe. You can also use a mix of chicken breast and thighs. Plain whole milk yogurt is the secret ingredient to your marinade. It's what makes the meat so tender and juicy. Don't skip it. Freshly squeezed lemon juice works best. If you don't have fresh lemon available, use bottled lemon juice instead. Some fresh garlic cloves. Tomato paste will give your shawarma a more intense flavor and color. If you like it a little spicy, you can use chili paste instead. You can make your own shawarma spice mix or use a ready-made one. I recommend making your own. I use a slightly different spice mix when making beef shawarma. For chicken shawarma, you'll need the following spices, all powdered: cumin, coriander, sweet paprika, cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Then we'll need some sunflower oil for the marinade and some for frying. Traditionally, a type of thin bread called shark is used for shawarma sandwiches. You could also use tortilla bread instead, which is easy to find internationally. Garlic sauce, homemade or store-bought. Use any garlic sauce of your choice. Authentic Middle Eastern shawarma sandwiches don't contain lettuce or tomatoes. Instead, we use pickled cucumbers. You can add a few if you like, or use any pickles or vegetables of your choice. There is a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save or print out. Ready to make chicken shawarma? Yalla, let's get started. Start off by preparing your marinade. I'm gonna start with the garlic for the marinade. Peel the garlic cloves and crush them with a mortar and pestle. Then squeeze the lemon if using fresh lemon. Grab a large bowl. For the marinade, combine yogurt, sunflower oil, crushed garlic, tomato paste or chili paste, lemon juice, and the powdered spices: cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine into a paste-like consistency. Set aside while you prepare the chicken. Cut the chicken breast or thighs into thin slices. Be sure to cut them thinly to recreate the look and taste of authentic shawarma. While cubes would work as well, shawarma comes in slices. By the way, when using boneless chicken thighs or breast, you don't need to cut off any white bits that there might be. In fact, they add to the taste. You can cut off any large chunks though. Add the meat to the marinade and mix well to ensure the chicken is evenly coated in the marinade. You can use a spoon or your hands, but be sure to wear gloves as the marinade has turmeric. Cover and place the bowl in the refrigerator. Ideally, you do this the night before or some hours in advance. At least 2 to 3 hours, better 12 hours. Heat oil in a large skillet. Add the marinated chicken to the warm oil. Be sure to spread the meat evenly in the pan to ensure it gets cooked evenly. Fry over medium to high heat, turning halfway through. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes in total, or 4 to 5 minutes on each side. The chicken should be browned evenly on the outside and be well done on the inside. Don't overcook it as it would make the chicken dry. Now starts the fun part, making shawarma sandwiches. Get your bread, garlic sauce, and pickles ready. Spread a generous amount of garlic sauce onto the first bread. Grab some chicken from the pan. Spread it in the center of the bread towards the sides, leaving out a few centimeters or inches at what will become the short sides. Place a few pickles on top of the chicken. Then fold the two short sides onto the meat, hold them down with your hands, and roll up the sandwich. Set aside while you repeat it with the remaining bread and meat. Once all your sandwiches are rolled up, heat the pan in which you cooked the meat earlier, on medium to high heat. You don't have to clean the pan. In fact, the remaining juice of the chicken and marinade will add to the taste of your shawarma sandwiches. Toast the sandwiches on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the bread starts to become golden brown. Remove from the pan and repeat with the remaining sandwiches. Cut the shawarma sandwiches into halves and arrange them on a plate or platter. Serve with additional garlic sauce and pickles, and optionally some French fries. And that's it, your shawarma sandwich platter is ready. Sahtin, enjoy!